Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin. This is our 5x8 cargo camper conversion trailer, which we have decked out so that we can go off-road, we can go to places boondocking, or just in a regular campground.
And we did a 5x8 cargo camper because we wanted to be able to pull it with our Jeep, because we also love going on some off-road Jeep trails. But as you can see today, we are doing some beach camping. We also love to do some beach camping, and we are camping right on the beach in the Outer Banks.
So if you want to check out some videos and see a full tour of our cargo trailer that we call the Rescue Wagon, you can check that out in the other videos. Also, if you're interested in making one yourself, you can head over to our DIY channel, Be Free Benson DIY, and there are actually how-to videos that we did when we were building this camper and the 6x10 camper that we're currently just finished.
But today, we are going to show you something different in this video. So we have been camping with our 5x8 cargo camper, as well as we have the 6x10 that our daughter has, and we have some friends who have one too. We've done several camping trips, and we've done several beach camping trips, and we have learned some must-haves that we cannot live without when on the beach. And we are going to share those with you. 10 must-haves that you might not think of in the beginning.
Let's get to it. So one of the must-haves that you need, it may seem easy to get in and out all the time, but you really need to reach in and grab stuff. And one thing that is a must-have is having your fridge open from this side. Because when you want to reach in and grab something, you need to be able to get it quickly.
Coming in at number 9 is a paper towel holder that is easy to access from the outside. So I can simply reach right in, and my paper towel holder is right here in the corner. It's easy for me to tear it off and use it whenever I need to. That's really important when you're out on the beach and you don't want to get your sandy feet into your cargo camper. Number 8 is our outdoor shelf. So it's very easy for us to put the shelf down, and when we get somewhere, to put the shelf up. But this outdoor shelf is so handy and essential, again, when you're at the beach, because again, you don't want to get those sandy feet in your camper. So having a shelf outside that is easy and accessible really saves you from having to run in and out of the camper.
Coming in at number 7, for space purposes and just overall ease of use and keeping things organized, having a shoe holder that you mount on the inside of your door. And we've got everything here, toothbrushes to levels to all the goodies that you might need, bug spray. It's just really, really easy to have it here in the door. Keeps it out of the way, keeps it accessible. You can see what you need to right through the netting. Works really, really well. Number 6, LED motion detector light with an on-off switch. Anytime you're without power and you're boondocking, it's great. It lights up the outer area. It keeps a dim light on. Come by it, it actually gets brighter, but it also has an on-off switch so that when you're traveling down the road, you don't get pulled over by the police. These work out really, really well, and you don't need power to have them. Let me show you where else I have them. Got one on the back door. Got one right here where I keep my generator mounted. And I've got another one right here near my pumps for my outdoor shower.
When you're boondocking and you're on the beach, there are times, depending on the time of the year, when there are a lot of bugs and you still want to be able to enjoy the beach, and you want to open up your camper so that you're getting those views. Check out behind me, you want to be able to see that. So number 5 is a screen on your main door. Having a screen on your main door that is magnetic is a must-have, and it makes everything so much nicer because you don't have to worry about those bugs getting into your camper and bugging you at night.
Number 4 is having larger wheels and tires on your camper, which gives you clearance. You wouldn't think you need that out here on the beach, but it gets thick and it can bog down. If you're not high enough off the sand, it can actually grab onto stuff and cause you to get stuck.
Number 3, inside our camper we have some LED lights on either side, and you can see that beautiful view from the back. Again, oftentimes we do have a generator here, but we don't always run that because we just want to enjoy nature. And so having these LED lights inside gives us the ability to have some battery powered lights, and it really lights it up in here so that we can access some lights but not have to always have that generator on.
Number 2 is having an awning. An awning affords you the shade when you get out in a place like this and the sun's beating, and we love the sun, but there's times where you just need to get out of it and get some shade. We also have an awning on the other side so that depending on where the sun's at, we've always got the option of having shade.
And the number one must-have when you're on the beach is an outdoor shower. That sand gets pretty nasty sometimes, and you can get pretty hot and sweaty, and you got sunscreen on you. So having an outdoor shower on the beach, I can't stress enough how awesome a shower is out on the beach. We have a hot water heater, a pump, so we're able to bring out some collapsible 5.3 gallon jugs. We fill them up with water on the island. We bring it out here and we have access to that outdoor shower. We've got our privacy tent. It is fantastic. So those are our top 10 must-haves when you're beach camping that you might not think of. For more videos like this, you can click on the video on the screen, or you can go to our channel and click on any one of the playlists. Also, for more tips and tricks and other information that we don't have in our videos, you can visit our website at www.befreebenson.com. And just in case you forget, we'll put a link in the description.
So we hope you enjoyed our top 10. If you have anything that you feel that would make the top 10 that we didn't add, go ahead and hit it in the comment section. If this video provided you with any value, go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel.
And as always, get out there, have an adventure, make the ordinary extraordinary, and be free. See you in the next adventure.
You can edit it.
How about let me be in the video too?
You're right in the video.
It's always just my head. Or you can go to our channel.